fat and docile, big and dumb. They look so stupid, they aren't much fun. Cows aren't fun. They eat to grow, grow to die, die to be et at the hamburger fry. Cows well done. Nobody thunk it, nobody knew, no one imagined the great cow guru. Cows are one. He hid in the forest, read books with great zeal. He loved Che Guevara, a revolutionary veal. Cow say tongue. He spoke about justice, but nobody stirred. He felt like an outcast, alone in the herd.
If you catch me a new shark.
There's a shark and a crocodile
We
together.
knew we must fight, escape, or we'll die. Cows gathered around, cause the stakes were so high. Bad cow pun. But then he was captured, stuffed into a crate, loaded onto a truck where he rode to his fate. Cows are bummed. He was a scrawny calf who looked rather woozy. No one suspected he was packing an Uzi. Cows with guns. They came with a needle to stick in his thigh. He kicked for the groin. He pissed in their eye. Cow well hung. Knocked over a tractor and ran for the door. 6 gallons of gas flowed out on the floor. Run, cows, run. He picked up a bullhorn and jumped up on the hay. We are free-roving bovines.
You only want to catch
Run
a fish.
Yeah,
Really scraggly beard he's got going on too.
So we're currently on the Daly.
So you're gonna have to speak up. I can't hear you over the motor.
We will fight for bovine freedom and hold our large heads high. We will run free with the buffalo or die. Cows with guns. They crashed the gate in a great stampede.
And we get
tipped
the fuck
over
away
milk
from the
truck,
edges.
torched all the feed. Cows have fun. 60 police cars were piled in a heap, covered in cows.
So what are you targeting today, Daniel?
Fish. Mainly sticks are doing real well. Yeah, 4 heaps of sticks.
Black smoke arise and darken in the day. 12 burning McDonald's.
No. Yes. Hey, Michael.
Come on, Barra.
Let's see.
Pull up to have a break and I'll just chuck the lure in a little bit and flick it around. Put it back.
Fold those ones under and put your hand on back. And look towards Daniel. Reckon? 55 and a half.
What's the legal limit?
55
and a half.
We will fight for bovine freedom and hold our large heads high. We will run free with the buffalo or die. Cows with guns. The president said, enough is enough. These uppity cattle, it's time to get tough. Cow dung plum. The newspapers gloated, folks sighed with relief. Tomorrow at noon they would all be ground beef. Cows on buns. The cows were surrounded, they waited and prayed. They mooed their last moos, they chewed their last hay.
Nice.
I reckon 57, 58.
See what he goes.
60.
62 and a bit.
Cows outgunned. The order was given to turn cows to whoppers, enforced by the might of 10,000 coppers. But on the
And
road,
there's some snags there, and that's where we
surrounding
caught
the
'em.
shoppers, came the
But
deafening roar.
The other one was just literally in the middle like this, like we're casting out.
for bovine freedom and hold our large heads high. We will run free with the buffalo or die.
44.2, I reckon. Everyone concur? Oh no, 44.5.
10 centimeters and you're
Cows outgunned.
Nice and silver.